Welcome to my next Excel tip number 12, basic Excel table formatting. I show you basic format commands here in Excel. For example, we have a table which I now selected, and you can see it's formatted to relevant format. And this kind of formatting we would like to use to table below. And we can do this by manually or automatically. In this video I show you manually formatting. For this kind of formatting we use relevant commands which we can find in a home tab. For example, here in a font or alignment or number, which is similar to Microsoft Word. So I'm going to select the project list and then I use merge and center. You can see that all selected cells change to one or merge to one. Now I'm going to change the size of font or title. Then I use this kind of commands or number of font size. Then I'm going to change the background color. So I use this kind of color, or you can choose the font color, which is white. And then I'm going to next line, which I select. I use bold, and we would like to center, so I use center in alignment. And then you can see or find product categories, which is in two lines instead one, but in one cell. I'm going to wrap text. So next we have date, which I use in preview here. It is in a Slovak format, and Slovak format consists of day, month, year, and this kind of formatting we would like use here because my Excel is set up to Slovak formatting. I can choose or find relevant formatting here. So I choose short date, and you can see the date in relevant format. In your computer should be also relevant formatted to the same date as you use in your country. And also, or then we can go to cost and choose the numbers in general format to euros. So I'm going to the same settings or similar setting as we use for date, and then I'm going to choose currency, or you can find relevant currency here in this command. So you don't want to euro, go to other currencies like dollars or pounds and so on, or there is a more accounting formats if you want to choose another one. Now we need to use borders because we have borders here. The very useful or very simple way is a border which we can find here, and in many cases are using all borders and then or afterwards fig outside borders, which looks like this. But if we want to use dot border or double border, I'm going to select relevant part, going to more borders instead the basic borders. In the more borders we see the border tab here in format cell. On the right side there is a preview, on the left side we see the relevant style. So I'm going to dot line, I'm going to inside. So in the preview you see the inside, you see the dot line, and outline we need to double line. So I'm going to choose double line and going to outline. Then I'm click OK. So the table looks like table above. So that's all from me, and as I told you, it is very useful, very often used in Excel practice, and you can format every table in Excel. Thank you for attention.